Okay, so as soon as you power it on, you see now it was on. So as soon as you power it on, you see the lights. I'm powering it on now. You can see what it's doing. Off. As soon as you power on, all the lights come on, which is a very bad sign. See, all the lights are coming on. It's not good. And on the display, there is nothing. You can see there, which is okay, guys. So this is the Heath & Allen, the Heath & Allen mixer. It's a very expensive one, this one. So let me just put the power on, as you can see. So this is the power supply of it. So by the look of it, it looks to be on, and the lights there, I can see that now they are flashing. Initially they were flashing dimly. So now they are stable enough. I was most concerned with this light because this looks like the standby light. You can see this. You can see this on this green light there. You can see it's 3.3 volts. So this light was not stable enough, and this probably is the standby voltage of it. So now you see all the indicator lights are saying everything is fine. The way it's flashing now there, you can see those lights there. See all these lights, they're flashing. So if they are doing this, I think they're telling us that it's fine. So as you can see on the power supply, you've got the blue light there, the green light on the main power supply, and then the blue light on the other power supply. You can see there's a series of voltage regulators there. And you can see this on the front panel there. It is on. It is no longer flicking. The lights are stable. They are not flicking. So it looks as if it needs lock-in and stuff. It's a touch. So you can see there. It's touching, as you can see there. Oh, my fingerprints maybe a bit. Okay, you can see there. It's touching there, so it is on. Okay, so guys, you can see there it's a Heath and it's an Allen and Heath, not Heath and Allen. It's an Allen and Heath Qu-24. Okay, guys. So for any of your expensive electronics, please feel free to contact me. You see the numbers below. I'll type them in the description. Okay, guys. See ya. So what's left now is to close it up, put all the boards back inside and everything. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. So unfortunately, out of these 3, we managed to fix 2 of them. This other one, it's possible for it to be fixed. I'm gonna give it a try again, but I'm gonna give it a try because it's a nice set. This thing, it's nice, very nice. Yeah, as you can see there and there. Looks like it's a touch screen of some sort. So I can see, yes, got a lock-in. And try and focus. You can see here it's saying lock-in. So here's some password somewhere. So, well, the owner knows. That's all I can say. Okay. So guys, as you can see, it's a very nice brand. Very nice thing. Very nice. Very nice.